Hi, in front of me I have OUKITEL WP6 and I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. Let's open the settings first. To do it, let's tap on this icon right here. In settings, scroll down and select display. And then select wallpaper right here. Right here we have a list of wallpapers available on our device. We can tap on one to open it. For example, this one, and then you can tap on apply, and here you can select apply as desktop wallpaper, apply as lock screen wallpaper, or apply to all. We want to set it as desktop, so let's select apply as desktop wallpaper. It says set wallpaper successfully. Let's go back to our home screen, and as you can see, the wallpaper changed. You can also change the wallpaper a different way. To do it, simply press and hold on the free space on home screen, like this. This menu will open, and here select wallpaper. And again, select the wallpaper you want to use, then tap apply, and for example as desktop. Let's go back. As you can see, the wallpaper changed. And that's how you change the wallpaper on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.